Can an LLC file Chapter 11? Yes, an LLC can file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Chapter 11 is a type of bankruptcy that allows a business to reorganize its debts while continuing operations. This process gives the LLC time to restructure contracts, reduce obligations, and negotiate with creditors under the supervision of the bankruptcy court. Chapter 11 is often used by larger businesses, but small LLCs can also file if they are struggling financially and need to keep the business running while restructuring debt. The goal is to create a repayment plan that makes the business viable again rather than shutting it down completely. However, Chapter 11 can be complex and expensive, requiring significant legal and court fees. Some smaller LLCs may consider Chapter 7, liquidation, or Chapter 13, if eligible, as alternatives depending on their situation. Zen Business can help you form and maintain your LLC properly so you minimize financial risks and protect your business from reaching the point of bankruptcy. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.